Hello everyone and welcome to the Dragon Code. In this video we will cover lists and iFrames, and we will also import video and audio in our page. There is order, unordered and description list in HTML, and here you can see tags of each list. And there's also list item which has tag li. Let's move in VS Code. I will first add new page and I will call it second page.html. I'll first add one order list, so OL, and here I will add list items, horse, lion, shark. Now I will open this page in web browser. Here is order list I added in my page, and you can change its type. For that I need type attribute. By default it is 1. I can use letters, uppercase letters, lowercase letters, uppercase Roman numbers, and lowercase Roman numbers. I will add another list items to see that, so those are lowercase Roman numbers. I will remove list items that I copied. Now I will add unordered list UL, and I will copy those list items. Let's open this page. And here you can see this is unordered list that I added, and you can also change type of unordered list. So here I need to add style attribute and list style type. By default it is disk. I can change it to circle, square, and none. But I will move back to square. Now I will add one description list, DL, DT for description list item. So I will copy horse and DD for description for that item, usually brown animal. And I will add another lion, cat, which is much dangerous than domestic cat. Then. And let's see now how description list looks like on my page. So this is item and this is description for that item. Now I will use iFrame element, and with that element you can show another page inside your page. So I will add iFrame element. Here is source. I will add source of this page. So I will first open this page. I will copy URL and I will paste that URL here. And now you can see that that page is displayed in my page. I can also adjust dimensions. So I will add width of 400 pixels and height of 250 pixels. And you can see this is first page. Then I will add one audio. I first created audio folder in this HTML folder and paste here one audio. And now I will use audio tag. I will write source path to that audio, so it is in audio folder, and this is that audio. And I also need to add controls attribute. Let's see my page in web browser. So here is the audio. I can play it. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. I can also add autoplay attribute. And now audio will automatically be played when page is loaded. And last, I will add one video in my page. I will remove this autoplay. So I have video in this video folder. So I need video tag source. It is in video folder. This is that video. And I also need controls. And I will add autoplay. And let's go in browser. Here you can see video that I displayed. I will adjust dimensions. So width is going to be 400 pixels and height 250 pixels. And now you can see this is that video. I can control it. I can stop it. This is all for this video. If you like this video and want more videos like this, press like button and subscribe, and see you next time.